Hello and welcome. We're doing an episode here on cooking in the truck. Today I'm going to one of my go-to meals that I always go to. Basically scrambled eggs with some sausage and onions. It's good, it's filling. And when I make this, it's usually good for 2 meals. So when you see me adding the stuff, this is 2 meals. Now, this is just a 10-inch skillet that you get from Wally World, or 12-inch, 10 or 12-inch Wally World. That's, like about 15 bucks. And then I had 2 ingredients. The white stuff you see down there is right here, a bag of it. It's minced onion. You can buy in the store. Some stores sell it in bulk. That's where I get it. And the other is ground sausage. And you're like, what's the Ziploc? Now, this is freeze-dried sausage. You can buy it, but me and my wife actually have a freeze-dried, not a dehydrator, an actual freeze dryer. So just that Jimmy Dean sausage, the regular breakfast sausage, plain, we fry a whole bunch up and then we freeze dry it, and then I bring some in bags, and this is the open, and then I put it in Mylar bags when I travel. So all I do is, let me turn this with one hand here, turn this on. Oh, let me get my inverter on here, 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. I had my APU off. That's my power unit that supplies power to my batteries, and my inverter was going, hey, you don't have any power, you're running out of power. Basically, and I just add some water. You gotta rehydrate this stuff. Now, I always add a little extra water that I'm gonna need, because it's not gonna matter, because I cook it all the way down. I'm not quite level, as you can tell. That's the one bad thing about trucking, you're not quite level. Looks like I got about 3/4 of the pan, so got 3/4 of the pan there, and then you can see it starting. I just turned it on right there when I started the video. You can see how quick this is. So that's it, and it'll take 3 to 4 minutes for all this water to cook down and rehydrate all that stuff. So I don't think you guys want to watch this stuff watch this stuff sizzle down. So I'll come back when I add the eggs. All right. You can tell it's fried up and it's getting pretty dry. You want to make sure most of the water's out of there, or you're gonna the eggs are gonna be watered. I get this at Walmart. It's liquid egg, but it's Southwestern style. So it has a couple different kind of peppers in there. So you can get frozen peppers, which I do too. Sometimes they're out of stock. And just pour it in. Like I said, this is for 2 meals. Put the other in a little piece of Tupperware and put it in the fridge. And don't forget salt and pepper, the almighty hot sauce, whatever hot sauce you like or have. So that's it, and this cooks it pretty quick. So when I start to finish, it's about 6-8 minutes. So that's it. I'll show you when it's done. All right, you can see here it's pretty much done. I just turned the pan off. Now, it's only been about a minute and a half since I turned it off. You always want to turn the eggs off when they're not quite done. If you cook the eggs until they're done, they're going to be overcooked, because they always carry over a lot of heat. That's all there's to it. Sausage, pepper, onion, scrambled eggs. So it's a good meal. And when I'm going to eat, put it away, and then I'm going to come back to show you how I clean the pan in the truck, because cleaning in the truck's a big deal, something you always got to consider. So that's it. See you in a little bit. Okay, done eating. Pretty easy to clean when you're done. Well, I'm done eating, put the stuff away, and I carry this around. See it here? Power wash, and I just spray everything real good. Then I just wipe everything off. I let it sit here for, I don't know, a minute before I wipe it down. Now, when you wipe it down, this gets it very, very clean, but it still leaves a soap residue. So, this bottle, vinegar water. It's about 75% vinegar, 25% water. And when it's done, I spray it and wipe it out. And then after that, I spray it and leave it air dry. Vinegar is a natural, you know, antibacterial, so it'll clean everything off, and plus it gets the soap mildew away. But that's it. This stuff is a trucker's best friend. When you buy this, a little tip is they sell a refill. That's expensive. Take it home, open it up, about this much at the bottom. Put Dawn soap, and then slowly fill the rest up with water. Otherwise, you'll be foam. When you get to the top, close it up and shake it a little bit slowly, and it'll mix it up, and you got some more. It's just a diluted down soap mixture, and this makes the foam up in the top there. So that's it. That's all there's to it. It's good scrambled eggs. Obviously, no sausage. You can use ham, bacon, whatever you have. You know, I don't know. I shouldn't have to tell you that, but I just carry that sausage because it's one less thing I have to carry about in my fridge. So that's it. Hope everybody has a great day, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and have a good one, everybody.